cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Seriously, thank you. I really appreciate it. So if you do know or don't know, I'm a girl always on the go. I do not have time. I am rushing out the door sometimes. Even if I wake up super early, I'm just like, go, go, go. I don't have time to do things. So one of the biggest thing that I don't have time to do is my hair, because it's crazy, it's curly, it's wild, it has a mind of its own. Like seriously, like I don't know what it be thinking sometimes. Like it thinks it's appropriate to look crazy. But anyway, here are 3 curly hairstyle for the girl on the go. Yeah. Anyways, let's just jump into the video. Let's go. Woo! This girl is on fire. My hair is a hot mess. Guys, don't notice the crazy hair. Notice the pimple in my chin. Honestly, I just feel like I have to be realistic with you. I wake up in the morning and go to work without makeup. That's just me. So I can't just sit down here and give you a tutorial with a face of makeup when that's just defeat the purpose of the video. I'm the girl on the go, and I just want to fix my hair. Kind of cute, you know? So yeah, first hairstyle. So I'm going to go ahead and use Weeda Advanced Climate Control. Love this spray. This spray is to detangle. I do this before the morning, so I break my hair in layers, or try to, because you know it's a lot of knots in there. I'm not gonna detangle my hair, but you know, I'm just gonna make it seem like I'm doing something to my hair, you know, because that's what we do. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the Garnier Fructis style. This is Curl Renew. The reason I love this, honestly, is because I love the smell of it. That's it. That's the only reason. I love the smell of it. It's really good. It smells so good. I could spray it all over my hair. Yeah, and that's how I prep my hair, so it doesn't smell like I was at the gym in the morning, you know. So here's my first style. It's really, really simple. Gonna go ahead and pull my hair back and get this brush. This is legit like a brush, but it imitates a toothbrush, which every girl needs. I don't care if you got soft hair or not. So, you know, getting that baby hair down, laying those, trying to get some baby hair out because I don't have none. So that's the only thing I do. Literally, this is what I do to go to work and look a little bit decent. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Headstrong volume. This is a spray gel, which I prefer because I hate putting gel in my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the edges. Then again with the toothbrush, and if I did not mention this before, I do not have a mirror, so don't judge me because I'm looking at the viewfinder to see what I'm doing to my hair. Okay, so here we go. First hair, let's get it. So this is my go-to hair, right? The thing about curly hair is people think it's not a messy because it's curly, so you could like flow with it. So I bring it all the way up, right? Okay, so here's where you need a little scrunchy rubber band. I don't care what you're using. I usually stick to black because I don't know, I like black, like my soul. And I pull it over and then I bring it back. It doesn't have to be perfect. It really doesn't. It really, really doesn't. Okay. And then here's where my mini pins come in handy. I love these mini pins because they're so good. You can barely see them. They're the color of my hair. It's really cute and like convenient if you need to like get in somebody's house. You could like pick a lot. I'm kidding. No, don't do that. So I just literally gonna go ahead and pin anything, any like flake. So my purpose with this is trying to make a little ball on top of my head. Even though it's, you know, curly and messy, it's like a messy bun. Like I think I did a tutorial on this, but this is literally my like on the go hair tutorial. Like this is it. Looks crazy, but you could work with it because you got curly hair. For all my curly hair girls, you got curly hair, so just go with it. Okay, so second hair tutorial, whatever is this. I'm gonna part my hair, part it wherever you want to do it. And honestly, let me show you. This is not gonna take that long. You'll see why. This is the part where it hurts. Curly hair girl knows that it hurts to part the hair. You part it, you part it, you part it, you part it. Okay, don't worry about the back. Don't worry about the front. It's all gonna fix itself. I promise you. So, I literally comb my hair with this brush, like this. Just comb it. Comb the front. Don't worry about the back. Worry about it later. I'm gonna go ahead again with that gel thing. The gel spray. Spray the front. And we're just gonna comb. And if y'all wanna do the, you know, I don't know what these are called because, you know, I'm a hot mess. So the whoop, the swoop, the whoop, the swoop. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the front and start fixing it. I'm not doing a braid. Nobody got time for that. Okay, here's the crazy part. This is how I hold my hair. Okay, you see that? See? Now you grab the rubber band again, push all your hair down, and make a little bob. Yes, it looks crazy in the back. I know it looks crazy, but guess what? You're a girl on the go. Nobody got time. At least they're looking at your face in the front like you tried to look decent. It's really cute, you know? Kinda did. You kinda tried. You didn't give it your all. You just kinda did because you're rushing out the door to get to work. This is really me trying to look like a decent person. So for my last hairstyle, let's see if I could do it because my hair is pretty wet. This is by far my favorite hair tutorial ever that I've ever done. I only think I've done like 2. Okay. So this is my favorite hair dude because, I don't know, probably because it frustrates me the most. Okay, so trying to split. I don't know how to split my hair neither. Let's see. But like I said, I'm on the go. I don't have time for this, so I just grab my hair. Probably ruining half of my hair. Like, just imagine like hair salonists or like people from like the industry that know how to do hair like cringing at my video right now. It's so funny. Oh my gosh, if they watched it. I don't think so. But anyways, somewhat parted. Whatever. Anyway, for this hair tutorial or hairstyle, you're gonna need 2 scrunchies. This is the basic like curly hair on the go thing. But literally pull up all your hair from one side, right? Pull it up all the way. And yes, you're gonna, you know how I did like 1 bun? We're gonna do 2. 1 in each side. And it's funny because I got more hair in this side or in this side. I don't know. We're just gonna see. Oh yeah, I got more hair on this side. And voila. Look at that. I'm done. Hair tutorials. I'm amazing. I should become an artist. But seriously, these are really my on the go, like I'm really rushing. I kind of want to look a little bit decent and I have curly hair, so I can't straighten my hair. I don't have time for that. I literally just use bobby pins and a scrunchie and call it a day. So cuties, I do hope that you all enjoyed that video. Seriously, it was like the most fastest, easiest tutorial ever I've done in my life because I'm not a hair guru, because that's just not me. This is what works for me, so don't judge me. And if you do, I don't care. But anyway, don't forget to like. Also, comment down below. Let me know what hairstyle I should really try to do like in the morning so I could look like more put together. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of my videos. So I see y'all when I see y'all. Peace. Bye.